What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We are steaming this fish. This is freshwater fish. This is a piece that come like this. And I have the fish guy pick it out. The knife is sharp and they skew. Easy for them to take it out.
It's filleted?
This part is fillet. And this part is the belly. I'm going to put some tofu on the bottom. I like this silky soft tofu.
Is there any other kinds, Joyce?
Yeah, they have firm.
But they all taste the same.
No, the texture is different. It's okay because it's going to be underneath. Nobody's going to see it.
Is that so it doesn't stick to the plate?
No, it just have more food. I cleaned this and wrapped this already. I'm going to lay it on here. There's two things going to go on here. This is the olive triangle. I soak it. Usually people don't put this much. Colvin like this kind of salty thing.
Yes.
Put a little bit of sauce. Colvin like, what, you joking? No, this is flavor.
Is that black bean sauce?
Black bean, I need to put a little bit of ginger in. Everything is in moderation today. Because I'm going to put a little bit of liquid, a little dark soy. Colvin said, why not? Not enough sauce. And I'm also putting this turnip in it. I'm going to squeeze out the water. I'm going to chop it a little bit. You want a piece?
Sure. Crunchy. Mm-hmm. Really good.
I'm not giving you another piece. You think I should put more in it? Huh?
Maybe.
Okay. You can tell that I'm just sort of mix it up as I go.
That's when you're at your best, Joyce. Is that for shine?
No, just maybe. I don't know. we don't define it that way. Put it in a little bit. Why don't you put it in before you put the pickle? Hey, that's what I said. I'm making up as I go.
Black bean sauce is always good.
Out the water. Love scallions.
Dare you?
You
don't like it, Joyce?
I don't like it. Onions, scallion, and turn your knife upside down for the flavor to come out. Well, it's gonna look good. Joyce, don't just do it.
Yeah.
I think we even need chopstick because this thing fit in pretty good. See this? Perfect. Can you set a timer for 12 minutes?
Okay.
Let's check.
How do you know it's ready?
Well, the chopstick test. It's not done. It doesn't cook through. Can you put a timer for 3 minutes? But because the fish is really thick, that's why you have to adjust.
I know the fish is really thick.
Yeah, the fish is really thick. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
It goes through. And then I'm going to add a little dark soy. It looks a little nicer, right? See, you have to adjust. Cooking is playing.
That's why you like it, Joyce.
Yeah. There's no wrong way of doing it. Okay. Picture time.